Hello and welcome back. It's December the 6th and we're doing this leaf right next to the previous one, surprise, surprise. But I'm going to grab my friction pen again and once again find that centre line with a slight curve. And then I'm going to come across and put lines coming across in a slight curve, evenly spaced, like about that. And now I'm going to do some flying geese. You can see how having that centre line and those cross lines was really good reference to help me get those shapes happening. So I knew where to come across to the middle and down to the other side. If you think that leaf looks a bit too open and not enough design in it, I might come back in and add an extra echo inside each of those flying geese. There we go. That looks pretty good. Okie dokes, I will see you tomorrow for December 7. Bye-bye.